Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Within My Albums, let's click on the plus sign. Let's create a folder. Let's call this folder Brand New. And now go back to the library, click on an image we wish to work with, right click, add to new album. And now let's call this album New Album. So what we can now do with this photo album, with an image inside it, move this, refactor it within Brand New by dragging and dropping, and there we go. That album now sits under that folder that we created called Brand New. We can hide the album if we wish to. We can bring it back if ever required. So let's go back to library. Now let's go to Photos, quit Photos. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.